Route 18, Miller University. Inbound from the Miller parking ride. From the parking ride, we're gonna make a right out of the parking lot. And then we're gonna make a right on Miller Road. For the inbound, we're also going to include the Skyline High School trip, as well as the loop around to the Blake Transit Center. We're gonna make a left onto the service drive of East 14. If you do not have a Skyline school trip, you will keep straight down Miller across Maple. If you have a Skyline school trip, you will follow these directions. We're gonna go around the roundabout. You're gonna stay to the left. Don't go straight. That will put you on East 14. Gonna make this left here on the Maple Road. Then you're gonna continue around the second roundabout, staying on Maple Road. Going to continue straight. You will see Huron High School to the right. You're going to go past the athletic field. Going to go around this last roundabout here. That's next to the football field. So you're going to go around this last turnabout. You're going to be going alongside the football field. What you're going to do is you're going to turn into the next driveway at the end of the football field. You'll see the sign there that says buses only. We'll make our right turn here. You'll follow the fire lane around. You're basically going to make a circle around the football field. At the stop sign, you're going to make a right turn. Making our right turn, you'll see our blue line bus shelter to the right. This is where we will service our stop. From the stop, you're going to make your right. We're going to go back to Maple Road, and we're going to go around the roundabouts, making a left turn back on the Maple Road. So we're going to go through the roundabout. Then we're going to go through our second roundabout. Again, staying on Maple Road. Following the sign that says Maple Road. Then we'll go around our third roundabout, keeping straight on Maple Road. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is Miller Road. We're going to make a left turn down Miller Road. Again, if you do not have a Skyline High School stop on your run, you would have just came straight down Miller Road from the right hand side here, and you would have just continued down, making our left onto Miller. Also, please check your run sheet to see if you have a Forsyth Middle School run on Newport. If so, you're going to simply make a left turn at Newport, go down to Forsyth, service the stop in the parking lot, turn around, and come back down Newport, back to Miller, and continue in service. Stop approaching. We'll also be sharing this portion of Miller with the 12B. Also, remember to adhere to all Ann Arbor crosswalk rules. If there is a pedestrian inside of a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way to said pedestrian. Got a few snow flurries here, but transit goes on. Stop approaching. We're approaching Newport Road. Again, if you had a Forsyth Middle School run, you would make a left turn here and go up to Newport, service the school, come back to Miller, and continue in service down Miller. Please check your run sheet. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're at 7th. Stop approaching. We're at Brooks. This is a time point. Continuing down Miller Road. Stop approaching. At the light is First. We're going to make a right onto First. Make a right turn at First. Go over to Huron. There are no stops to service on First. And here at Huron, we're going to make a left turn. Making our left turn onto Huron. Approaching Ashley. Approaching Main Street. Crossing over 4th. Crossing 5th Ave. Stop approaching. We share Huron with the number 4 and the 609. Stop approaching. Crossing State Street, we have the North Quad to the right. Stop approaching. We're approaching Fletcher. At Fletcher, we want to make a right turn. Fletcher is at the stoplight. Right turn here. We're entering our central campus. Please keep an eye out for pedestrians crossing. Let's see if we can go around them here. I think they're turning. All right. So stop approaching. Approaching North University. We're gonna make a right turn on Northview. A left turn on Northview, I'm sorry. Here's where North University turns into Getty's. Here at Getty's, we are approaching the Central Campus Transit Center. This is where we share the bus stops with the University of Michigan bus line. This is a time point. Continuing on Getty's. going to go through the light, continuing on Getty's. The light here is Washington now. At the light is Observatory. We want to make a left turn. Making our left onto Observatory. Stop approaching. Coming up is Washington Heights, just beyond the crosswalk. We want to make a right turn. Stop approaching. We ask that you exercise extreme caution and care when going down this decline on Washington Heights. Around the McDonald's houses on the right side. This decline can become very slick in inclement weather. Please utilize extreme care. We're coming up the East Medical Center Drive. We're going to make a left turn. We're coming up to the Mott Hospital stop. Here on the right. This is the end of the inbound 18 Miller University. So if you have an eastbound trip to the Blake Transit Center, you'll proceed as thus. Heading east on Huron, you will make a right turn here at 5th Avenue. Stop approaching. Continue through the red light here at Washington. Continuing through the light at Washington. We're going to continue south on 5th Avenue, passing Liberty. You see the Blake Transit Center come into the picture. We're going to make a right at the next stoplight, which is William. Then we're going to make a right on 4th Avenue. The 18 shares the stand with the 12 and the 12A. 12A and the 12B. So we will pull into the stand. We will service the stand. And when we leave the Blake Transit Center, we're going to pull back out into traffic, continuing northbound on 4th Avenue. Crossing Liberty. Crossing Washington. And we will make our left turn here at Huron and proceed regular route back to the Miller Road parking ride. Thus conclude 18 inbound Miller University BTC routing.